right, so with both you and the kids home for this holiday, why not get crafty? Our producer gave us the words happy and Jamaica. So we have to make one that says independence. But before we do that, apparently we have to use the letters.
Independent, another E. So how much E we have to do?
What may I say? So I just said, just use
And we have
that
another
and
E after this. George, come on, now. E.
Him.
Well, my sister name is Elizabeth, and she uniquely
That is not
Jamaican.
uniquely Jamaican. She is, but that,
Right.
the word is not, because you have Queen Elizabeth into foreign.
She name. So E what? Everyone, E, we have Jamaican thing start with E. Which food start with E? Which food start with E?
Or herb.
Huh?
I don't mean herb, I mean like medicinal tea.
You can't put it down and we don't say nothing yet.
Eam.
E is all?
Okay.
It's uniquely Jamaican.
Eam.
But we have another E after this, so I know if E we have to work out to the...
Eam. And another one after that.
Evening. No, Evelyn.
Evelyn. Got it.
We got it, Evelyn. But this I go to the road, you know.
That's what I just told you.
I know, but we can just catch it somewhere. So I don't know. We'll spin it wrong.
Give me another hen.
We're too early. Nation, him said.
Nation is not uniquely Jamaican, Harold. Come again. There are several nations across the world. Come on, man. Yes, Jody, I think you're correct.
The 9 nights at Jamaica alone have 9 nights. Are we alone have that?
Let's just claim it even if it's not ours, man.
Yeah, but to be honest, I want to think of
Ninth
something.
night.
No, but to be honest, I want to think of something that is unique to Jamaica.
Do you want to go home today?
Yeah, but
You want
we
to go
still
home
think
today?
about it, though.
Okay. You can think about it when the
What
show
kind of light
finishes.
again? Yeah? Independent.
Independent.
D again. So we have one more D.
Dog.
Yeah, we already know. We just go so and then we just cut it and we just hook it up.
What did you just
Like
say?
start here and then we cut it and we just put it beside it and glue it up. Alright, I can show you.
I hear what you said. I'm not really. Don't.
You're not?
No, not on Mondays.
And another E again.
No, me done. Me done.
Or 2 more E we have,
You
you know.
have to E-bly.
But look how much people inside there when you can't think I'm not unique in Jamaica when it starts with E. And we have another E after that.
I know, that's what I was saying.
We have a restaurant to start with E.
Yes, Evita's.
They're not
Which
unique
is
in
uniquely
Jamaica.
Jamaican, but it's really an
It's
Italian
not a problem.
restaurant. But we're going to work
Where
with
we
it.
reach now? Independent. Another N.
Jesus.
Never.
No.
Uniquely Jamaican.
No.
There's the first C we get.
I'm just
Granite.
think about Pato.
Uniquely Jamaican.
Are you reached your son here? So we still have an N in our hand.
Yeah, let me know just say never. You know about that. All right.
Negative.
New Market. Don't we have a place named New Market? Eh?
Yes, it's
Right.
St. Elizabeth, but still, that is an N and a, anyway.
Yeah.
Chronic?
Granite.
Chronic.
Yeah.
Chronic.
He's unique.
How about cock soup?
But yeah, that's okay.
Uniquely Jamaican.
And then one more E again. See what I tell you? We don't have no area in Jamaica started at E. We don't have no town. Well, there you go. Uniquely Jamaican. You are tan. Then look how long we are.
You are tin. Okay.
And then now, all we do now is we cut it and then we hook it up back over here.
You don't speak so well, though. All I'm saying.
This is also unique.
So we're going to put